What's good, peeps? It's your boy Hess bringing you another dosage of positive vibes. I just want to dedicate this video to all of you who have subscribed to my channel and shown support so far. I've been posting content on YouTube for a little over 2 years now, and it's been quite an experience. And I've connected with many of you, and I don't need to have thousands or millions of supporters to appreciate what I have. You guys have seen me create horrible videos to decent videos, and you still accept me for who I am, which I truly appreciate. I started doing videos on YouTube as a way to deal with my IBS and depression, and also to create a community of people who support one another, no matter who the other person is or what the other person is going through. And guess what? We were able to do just that. And our Positive Vibes tribe is still growing every single day, which means more positivity is being reached to many other people around the world. I think that's pretty dope. Many of you have reached out to me and we've connected on a very personal level, which I never thought I could do with strangers across the world, but also makes me feel like we get to grow together. I encourage you guys to never hesitate in writing me a comment or sending me a private message on Facebook or Instagram, because it's always a good feeling knowing that you're not alone and that someone else can relate to your experience. Many of you have even reached out to each other in the comment section and supported one another, which I truly love to see, and I hope you guys continue to do that. I've always been a positive person, and I can never stand drama or any kind of negative stress, which is part of the reason why I started this Positive Vibes channel. So in my intro, when I say it's your boy Hess bringing you another dosage of positive vibes, when I say another dosage of positive vibes, I truly believe that you could use positivity as a form of medication. What many people don't understand about IBS is that stress, anxiety, and depression can trigger horrible symptoms, and thus can negatively impact your life on a regular basis. Again, I've lost so many jobs and other different aspects of my life due to my IBS and depression. So it's important, in fact, it's crucial that I take positivity like I would take medication every day, so that I can keep getting a better handle of my condition. And with that being said, it's only right that I share part of my genuine self with the world, and that's providing you all with positivity as best and as creatively as I know how. Because there's so much negativity in the world, and I want to create a balance where we put out more positivity than anything else. Positivity could be in the form of support, encouragement, love, self-love, self-appreciation, self-awareness, giving to others without any expectations, or just simply smiling at everyone just to bring more brightness into the world. There's many different ways to be positive and share and express positivity. I know I'm being redundant, but please be positive and always share that with the world, because we need it. I know I used to call us the Positive Vibes family, but now we're the Positive Vibes tribe. That's what we are, the Positive Vibes tribe. So because our Positive Vibes tribe continues to grow every day, and you guys have been so loving and supportive, I mean, the amount of heartfelt comments I've received from you guys just means more than you guys could know. And because of that, I want to do something special for you. I want to give away 2 free Positive Vibes t-shirts. When you wear or represent positive vibes, it doesn't mean you have to suffer from an invisible illness or any illness. It just means you believe in karma, and therefore you realize how important it is to spread and be surrounded by nothing but positive vibes. And you use that positivity for yourself to get to where you want to be in life. And you also use it for others to let them know they're not alone and we're all in this together. Whether we're struggling together or dancing together, we're all in this together. We're a tribe, the Positive Vibes tribe, and that's what we do. We stick together no matter what. Okay, so the way this free giveaway is going to work is that for those of you who really want this free t-shirt, it's going to have to do a little work for it. You have to 1, follow me on Instagram, 2, comment on one of my most recent posts and use the hashtag Positive Vibes Tribe, and that's vibes without the E. And then 3, send me a private message on Instagram or Facebook letting me know why positive vibes mean so much to you. Just a few sentences, doesn't have to be anything serious. You do those 3 simple things and I will pick 2 lucky winners to receive the free Positive Vibes t-shirts. Alright? So don't forget to use the hashtag #PositiveVibesTribe, and that's vibes without the E. Once again, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and showing me love. Our tribe means a lot to me, and I know I always say this to many of you in the comment section, but I'm gonna say it out loud in this video. Please know you'll always have support here, and never hesitate to reach out when you need someone to listen. I'm not a therapist or any kind of medical expert, but we are a family, and I know how important it is to have a support system in place when you reach a low point in your life, because I've been there before. So stay strong, stay positive, and never give up on yourself, alright? So peeps, as always, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and remember, be surrounded by nothing but positive vibes. Peace.